All right, 5-minute lessons. We're moving on. 6-3. Binomial radical expressions. Let's just make sure we know what this means. Binomial means two terms, and radical means two terms that involve square roots. No big deal. Just consider this 9x plus 2x. Let x equal radical 3. What do you get? That's 11x, so that must be 11 radical 3. We're just going to do these pretty quickly. This one is simplified. We can't do anything more than that because the cube root of x is not the same thing as radical 7. Nothing we can do there. Now here, this is a like term with this one. So that's going to be 11 times the cube root of xy, okay? Again, these are like terms, and there's a 1 in front of that. Don't forget, there is a 1 there. So 5 times that plus 1 times that is 6 times that. Okay? Again, there's a 1 there. Don't forget, there's a 1 there. 1 minus 2 is negative 1 times radical 3x. You might just see this as negative radical 3x. Both those are correct. And here, radical x and radical 7 are not the same thing. Consider this like 7x plus xy. Well, no, 7 radical s. Okay, that's a bad example I just did. But anyway, forget I said that because of the x's. These are not like terms, so the answer is right there. That's as simple as we can make it. All right, now be careful though, okay? Because now you could write the you could write the square root of 32 as the square root of 16 times 2. And 50 could be the square root of 25 times 2. And what these things did not look like they were like terms, but watch. That's 3 times 4 radical 2 plus 2 times 5 radical 2. So that's 12 radical 2 plus 10 radical 2, and that's 22 radical 2. So yeah, these get harder, okay? The cube root of 81, well, that's the cube root of 27 times 3. This is going to be hard for you guys. Minus 3 times the cube root of 3. Well, this cube root, so this is 3 cube root of 3 minus 3 cube root of 3, and you end up getting 0 for that. So your calculator actually could have found you that one. Let's do one more. Square root of 28. That's 4 times 7. So this is 2 radical 7 minus, that's 9 times 7. So 3 radical 7. And so you're going to get negative 1 radical 7. Do your best. Choose which ones to do wisely. I can help you choose which ones to do. And check your answers. If you get them wrong, talk to me. Just let's work together a lot in this section. That should help. Boom.